The words embedded systems and artificial intelligence excites you, right? Can we imagine the two stunning technologies together? Yes, it's possible nowadays. Companies like ST Microelectronics are bringing it into the reality by providing optimized neural network for microcontrollers. Developers right now are focused on connecting their devices to the cloud and system security. But over the next coming years, we will start to see the idea of using deep learning, machine learning, and other AI concepts slowly start to migrate from the cloud to the edge. Both of the technology seems apart nowadays because of the enormous skill gap between the embedded system and AI experts. So, how to solve the problem? We have designed this complete video course to realize the concept of embedded AI, in which we have gone over the basic concepts of AI or deep learning in detail and implemented an AGI-based practical application based on these concepts on an STM32 microcontroller. We will cover the 5 necessary steps of AGI in this course: data capturing, data labeling, building a neural network model, conversion of neural network to optimized C library, and running the inference on the edge. By using the deep learning libraries like KERAS, high-level programming language Python for building, training the neural networks, and very famous low-level programming language C to implement the neural network on microcontroller. There are 2 possible ways to start this course. If you are learn by doing kind of person, you can directly start with building the application and later can go to the more profound concepts of AI and deep learning. Alternatively, if you have enough patience, you can complete the basic concepts first and then can start building the application later. So don't wait to grab this course. We assure you it will really add value to your skills and will broaden up your vision into the area of embedded applications.